Good morning. Today is the third day, and today we are gonna be working on something else. So today what we are gonna be working on is this right here. Our workspace is not getting updated with the record that we just added. So to give you an idea, let's first get rid of the existing records. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of everything that is data. On, yeah. And then we also can get rid of locks and everything. We don't really need this. So just locks. Okay, so let's start our server. Okay. So this is the first time that I'm starting the server, so it's going to take a little while. Bear with me, have some patience. The reason Express.js is not really suitable for a large application is because of a lot of things. Mainly because you have full control over the architecture of your application. So that means you have to do everything from scratch. So this might be a good thing or a bad thing depending on your needs. And for the small personal version of the project, I think it's more than enough. So it's not something that I'm really bothered about. So our backend is running here, as you can see. Let's open up Postman to see what happens. Let's minimize this. Let's also minimize this. Let's minimize this. And because we want to see the cool background from this blurred, little semi-transparent IDE. It looks really nice. So while we wait for that thing to open, go to YouTube and do some scrolling till then. It's my song. This is nice. This dude is building the whole freaking package from the back end to the front end. What's Ironheart though? Ironheart for villain. Come on. Okay, so we are going to be creating our workspace. So let's do WS1 success. So we have created a new workspace, and if you try to get this workspace, we can get this. Okay, if we try to get WS1, we should be able to get it. Right? Doesn't have any description or anything like that, and its record is 0 because we have 0 records for it yet. So if I go to records and I try to create a record, this one. So let's do this. Rec1 workspace is gonna be WS1, and from this you can see that this has been created success. If it's record, get a success +1. But if you try to put a workspace that's not valid, it's not gonna work because WS2 is missing. Okay. So yeah, it's working fine. Now I just wanted to show you something else. Yeah, I wanted to show you that if we get the workspace, if you remember correctly, we created a rec1, okay? And if I try to get the records, you can see we have 1 record, okay? That and the name of the record is rec1, and its workspace ID is WS1. So given that information, this records, it needs to be updated with a new ID that's gonna be rec1. But when I do this, it's 0. We don't get anything at all. So that's what we are going to be trying to solve. Okay, the records needs to be updated. Okay, so now that you know the problem, let's see what we can do about this. Okay, so we are going to go to our database, Pouches database, get cards. This is create record, right? This one is going to be valid, stuff like that. Add records. Then a result, okay. Failed to create record for workspace. Creating the record, so that is valid. After that, this is where we are stuck. So we are parsing it. And then, wait, after parsing it, do we ever Kuri? Talawa. This fucking kid, he keeps on coming. Thani, Thani, heli ang pui ka na. Ang pui ka na. Do, Thani. Ayang thudi ayang go. Do. Ayang gay kay di ang pui ka na do. Ang pui na ni. Ayang gay kay di among lop kaya na. Putlat lang ni. Thani. Kabang ulo. Bunyi miyak kurui. Kamu tak tahu kabang nak Thani. Thani do. Pui ka na. Ay, pui na ni. Iya, apa ulo pergi do. Okay, so we have parsed. This is where we are gonna be getting the rec. This is gonna be the records, and then once you have the records, we're gonna parse it, and after parsing it, get the latest revision. I see. So we never updated this thing. Okay. This is required to update. Okay, so once you have it, push. We're gonna push the new record. It's gonna be our what is the thing called? What is the thing called? It's gonna be our rec card dot ID. I think that is it, right? Or just the name itself. Even the name is more than. Okay, and then we're gonna be updating it. Okay, so let's just see if this works. So this is running. Create a new record, rec2. This has been created. We have now 2 records. That's good. Now if we try to get it, we should see rec2 in here. Rec2, awesome, freaking awesome. So if we try to create another one, rec3, get this one. Rec3 is also there, perfect. Now, what I want to see is if it's necessary to get this updated rec. Okay, I don't think we need to. Well, I just want to see if this works. Rec4. Okay, Rec4 is also there. What? It's working. 5. Rec6. Let's do a Rec6. Yep, it's working. Nice, awesome. So we don't even need to do the revision thing. Okay, good thing. So we can get rid of our main. Yes, we fixed this bug. Okay. Awesome. So we have a bunch of tests that we need to do as well, but I'm thinking we are gonna do that once we're done with the record thing. Once we're done creating the records, I think we can test unit testing, and maybe integration testing as well. Alrighty, so it's done. What we have to do is this, get records. This is gonna create a record. Database adapter. Now inside this folder, we have to create the dynamic table. Okay. It's final. Okay, so this is gonna be inside data slash db slash ouch slash, let's say, user defined. So we have this, we have that. this specific. But this folder has been created. What are we gonna do? We're creating a table in here, right? So to create database, okay? New database pouch. so we can create directories and everything else. Okay, so this is working. We have to do a lot of refactoring and code cleanup to do in the future. But for now, I think it's good enough. It's just been 25 minutes. It feels like it's been forever. So yeah, we have our database set up and everything is done. The next thing that we might want to work on is creating records. Adding records, sorry. Create record. Add entry. I don't know, man. For now, let's just get rid of it. Space to determine which workspace to go for, the record ID to know which one to go for, space entry, so it's going to be and then we can have the it's going to be the entry. Okay, so we need to do this to verify the attributes and everything. Okay, it's always mandatory. So we're gonna deposit this over there. Just store it, store it, and store it. And then once we're done storing it, that is basically it. This data is gonna be there forever. Okay, yeah. Shouldn't be that hard. Validate. Okay, sound looks quite fucking simple. I think. Okay, validate the entry structure, right? So before we do this, let's also so what we're gonna do is so card attributes. Okay, so we have the attributes. What we wanna do is we wanna check. I'm gonna say okay. And if that is not the case, then what you want to do is what iterate, check every single one. Okay. Iterate. It's gonna be attributes and okay, right? So we're gonna do a equals to split empty case load case date. importance is not R. Is this true? Wait a minute. So what if it's undefined? Defined. It's okay. It's not gonna happen. What is it's a cuckoo? Cuckoo? Oh yeah, it's valid. Alright. Done specifying all of the things. So let's give it a check now. Hey. Object. It's not chased. Attributes. I wonder how do we pass. Hey, ID is missing from the attributes. That is awesome. Oh yeah.
You doing? Can I chill here?
You can, I guess. Index 6. Hmm. Okay, so we are able to create all of the things, then we need to turn this into a helper function for the future. Okay. Hmm.
How do you like this moisturizer?
I don't know. Hey, that's going to be it. I just coded for like an hour, but I think that's good enough.